Validation messages. While working with the validation aspect, it's specifically beneficial to put input messages or entry messages. Input messages are found before I type and entry messages are found after I type in. So once again, go to the Data Validation tab and click on Settings tab. I'm going to repeat our whole number between 1 and 9. For this time, I'm going to put in an input message. Now the title should be something that gets the user's attention. I'll put in a warning. Then I'll say what to do. Enter a number between 1 and 9. I will click on OK. Notice whenever I'm on this column, I will now see the warning message. When I'm off the column, it'll disappear. If I type in 11 and hit enter, I return to the error message from before. I have no choice but to cancel or retry. If I select the validation area again, back to data validation and simply delete out the input message, then my message is removed. I can have the message be after the fact. This time, we will see data validation and error alert. First, I will use the stop. I'll title mine actually the same thing, stop. Under the error message, I'll say must be between 1 and 9, and now it will be OK for me. I get no message at data entry, but when I type in the wrong number and hit enter, I get the message that I just typed in. The idea here is you can give some very thorough information as to what's supposed to happen in the cell. One more time, I must retry with the correct number or cancel. I'm going to highlight the column, go back to data validation, and this time, instead of a stop sign, I'm going to put in an information sign. Now in the title, I'm just going to type warning, and instead of must be, I'm going to say should be. The idea here is our normal range is between 1 and 9. However, from time to time we go beyond that range. It's okay to type in a number outside of that range, but I want you to be aware it's not normal. Once again, I'll say OK, and this time I'll type in a number above the range. See here the warning, should be between 1 and 9. The concept, though, is I can say OK, I'm allowed to put the entry in. I just want you to be alert, it's outside the range. Data validation is a very, very powerful feature. Let's see a few more illustrations in the next session.